Wall of Doom. Not beautiful, but it made it. I'm pretty much a 4x4.